City boy.
I do not.
Bitch. City boy. Bitch. City boy. Bitch, get off my dick. All I'm doing is paper chasing every minute, every second, every hour is time wasted. If I ain't in that bag, tell me what the fuck I'm doing, huh? Running my mouth, talking and shooing about this and that, and it don't even make no sense. Get it? That shit don't even make no sense. I'm about my dividends, and I know you, I'm like a fucking prince. Cause I call shot like I'm the warden, you behind that fence. Penitentiary bound bitch, I done slept in that, so it don't matter. However, we can take it that you was my dog, but you said fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I thought you was my dog, but you said fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I thought you was my dog, but you said fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I thought you was my dog, but you say fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I'll be the shirt up off my back, my last scoop of rice. I'm with your woody even when you're on the dice. I can't believe that you played it like that. If it's fuck me, then it's fuck you, and you made it like that. When all I ever wanted to do was see you win. You got them niggas in our business, talking shit, but with the liquor, here grinding hard, trying to succeed. I ain't never done you nothing, so you looking like you a hater. So I'm gonna fall back and do what I do and stack this paper. I ain't never done you nothing, so you looking like you a hater. So I'm gonna fall back and do what I do and stack this paper. Never ever let a nigga knock you off your business. This my life and I'ma live it. I say never ever let a nigga knock you off your business. This my life and I'ma live it. These niggas tripping. I thought you was my dog, but you say fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I thought you was my dog, but you say fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I thought you was my dog, but you say fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. I thought you was my dog, but you say fuck me, and I ain't how it's supposed to go, but that's the way it's gonna be. City boy.